And we turn once more to Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman for a look at our conditions and a little surprise for us too.
That's right. We have a beautiful video sent in, a bird's eye view of Mount Ashland today. Just fantastic. Thanks to Bob for sharing this with us. It was a warm one up on Mount Ashland for skiers and snowboarders, and we had some record-breaking warmth in our inland valleys. We broke records today, smashed them in not only Klamath Falls and Montague. We tied the record in Medford, and we'll have a shot at breaking some more records tomorrow before things do trend cooler through the rest of this week. We have a system that's impacting us, mainly rain off the coast. There will be the chance for some showers into tomorrow morning for coastal communities, but otherwise just getting a lot of cloud cover from it. The system further west, that is going to be our big weather maker through the middle of the week. But out there tonight, we have those clouds streaming on in, some areas of fog in Cave Junction up through Grants Pass. We'll see temperatures running fairly mild tonight, 53 in Medford, 50 right now in Klamath Falls. It's 51 in Montague and still 61 degrees in Gold Beach. And with the increased clouds, we're not going to see a real significant drop in temperatures, especially for the west side. Down to 49 tonight in Medford, 45 in Wairika, and dropping to 39 in Klamath Falls. Tomorrow, winds are going to crank up out of the south and southeast. Still some pretty warm weather, up to 58 in Klamath Falls, 65 in Medford, up to 55 in Mount Shasta, and 61 degrees in Brookings. Notice those winds cranking up tomorrow afternoon. You'll notice it in the south end of the Rogue Valley, through the Shasta Valley, higher terrain in the region, and then even stronger winds expected into tomorrow night on into Wednesday, and we could be looking at pretty widespread gusts, upwards of 50 to 70 miles per hour. So we do have, check these out, these are new since 6 o'clock. We have high wind warnings that have been issued for the coast, Rogue and Shasta valleys, as well as the east side, including the Klamath Basin. You can get more details on the timing and impacts with these warnings, but these areas will see gusts upwards of 60 to 70 miles per hour. We also have wind advisories. These will get going a little bit earlier for the Rogue Valley and the west side above 2,000 feet starting at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And then in the evening hours, we have a wind advisory for the east side. And the concern is tomorrow through Wednesday, the potential for down trees as well as down power lines. Right now, it's looking like the power outage risk very high to at least see some spotty to scattered power outages in the region as we head through the middle of the week with this windstorm. And we will have some areas of heavier rain and snow. Let's talk precipitation. The chance for some showers near the coast tomorrow morning, but then as we go through the day tomorrow, most of us will stay dry. The main brunt of precipitation starts to move in tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Heavy rain near the coast, heavy precipitation in the Mount Shasta area, and notice the lowering snow levels as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. Eventually seeing some snow along I-5 as well. And we will eventually get some precipitation into the Medford area, but it might take a while just with how strong the winds are going to be through the day on Wednesday. We do have a winter storm watch for portions of Siskiyou County, mainly the higher elevations. We'll be watching that closely. When it comes to snowfall amounts, we do expect impacts to travel through 89 as well as I-5 and also Highway 3 as well in Siskiyou County. But most of southern Oregon not really seeing much in the way of significant snowfall. And then rainfall amounts, the heavier precipitation definitely going to be near the coast and in the Mount Shasta area. Your 7-day forecast, very heavy rain expected for the coast as we head into Wednesday. Strong winds as well. The Shasta Valley looking at gusts tomorrow into Wednesday as high as 70 miles per hour, and snow will impact travel in some of the higher elevations of Siskiyou County through Wednesday. Then the Klamath Basin, dry tomorrow, still some pretty warm temperatures, but notice getting colder as the week progresses. Up in the mountains, looking at rain changing to snow as those snow levels come down through this week and staying on the chillier side into this weekend. And then taking a look at the forecast for the Rogue Valley, we will be seeing some big changes on the way, definitely trending more towards winter.